Hi, my name is Kathy Rickermann, and I've been working with Mosaics for 15 years. If you would like to see some of my current and past artwork, please go to www.amosaicglassart.com to check it out. Today I am at the Green Door Art Gallery in St. Louis, and I would love to share something new with all of my Facebook followers, Mosaic Mentoring, and the Glass on Glass group. I have used all kinds of substrates such as slate, driftwood, Ouija board, rocks, and even an actual shoe. Recently I've been experimenting with glass on glass or plexiglass. I love the natural light behind them, but can you imagine having light all the time? I'm so excited to share with you a few of my first mosaics with LED backlighting. The first one is a random abstract with opaque, transparent, and textured glass. The light panel does brighten up all the glass, and the LEDs last for 70,000 hours. They can be ordered in custom shapes and sizes. The LED panel is about 1/4 of an inch thick, so it can easily fit behind your glass. The company I use is Evolite. And when you call or email, please ask for John Wigington and he will help you. I have found the lights are also great for cleaning your mosaic projects. I can't wait to see what all of you do with this, so please send me pictures of your completed projects.